I get a lot of messages from singers who say they don't like their voices, or even worse, they say they hate their voices. And hate is so sad to me. Can we spend the next few minutes readjusting your perspective, knowing that there are solutions? Everyone deserves to have fun singing, and that means you. Welcome back to another edition of Victoria's Victorious Vocal Tips. 33 years of teaching voice, 45 years of studying voice, all different styles. My students have ranged from ultra beginners all the way through advanced touring professionals, voice teachers, choral directors, and competition winners. I always give you serious vocal technique made simple and fun. I'll give you 7 reasons why you might not like your voice and 7 solutions, plus 1 important bonus tip. Also, I do have a playlist called Hating Your Voice. I'll enclose the links below. Reason number 1, unrealistic expectations. Comparing yourself to your favorite singer. That is the fastest road to discouragement and makes a lot of singers quit. Every voice is unique and you will never sound like your favorite singer anyway. So don't force your voice to do something that it was never meant to do. You will have more fun and make faster progress when you discover what is special about your own voice. See my playlist on finding your true and unique voice. Reason number 2, focusing on too many different things. Some singers are just plain scattered. They're all over the place. Remember, we cannot focus on 30 different things at once and hope that we're going to make any progress. All of my students know that I can pop the question at any time. What are your 1 to 2 most important technical things that you need to focus on right now? And this leads us right into reason number 3. You don't have the right training plan, or you don't have the solutions to your vocal issues. I have videos on just about every aspect of singing. So if you feel your singing is too bright, too dark, too nasal, too blatty, too breathy, too forced, too tight, weak, there are solutions to all of this. And if you're a beginner, work on a program that's suited for beginners. See my playlist on beginning singers. Stop beating yourself up. This is why we train, right? So if you don't like your tone quality, see my playlist on better singing tone. Reason number 4, you haven't given it enough time or practiced consistently. Good singing is a long-term project. Yes, you can change some things that make an immediate improvement, but true long-term progress comes from consistent and correct practice. Reason number 5, not practicing correctly. Yes, it can be difficult to learn to sing from videos alone. So I say, if at all possible, get a private teacher. And I know that's not possible for everyone, then consider taking group classes. I also encourage all singers to learn how to become their own voice teacher, whether they have a teacher or not, and this takes discipline. See my playlists on Can You Teach Yourself to Sing, and also on singing practice. And by the way, I do teach group classes to members of my audio exercise training program. We have 3 more important tips, but I have to tell you about my program. Solutions for just about every vocal issue. I give you tons of exercises, hundreds literally of options. And if you want to work on your vocal colors, vocal textures, I give you exercise options to show you how to do all of that. It's for beginning through advanced singers, will last you for a long time. Super affordable, and like I said, the best part is I do regular group classes with members. So see the link below and sign up right away. Reason number 6, super important, not acknowledging what is already working in your voice. There must be something that works in your voice. Look for it, find out what it is, and train from there. How much fun is singing if you're always focusing on what you need to fix? Number 7, and something so many singers forget, not recognizing, not acknowledging the small improvements that you are making, such as, today I can hold this note a half a beat longer than yesterday, or maybe I can sing a half step higher, or maybe I can sing for 15 minutes today and not get tired. Little improvements turn into big improvements over time. I see it over and over again. Just stick with it, because you never know when your breakthrough will come. And it often comes in your practice when you least expect it. Bonus tip: please remember to find the joy in the daily discovery of your voice. We sing because it brings us tremendous freedom and joy. No matter what kind of voice you have, find that little bit of fun every day. If you're a beginner, see my playlist for beginning singers. And if you want more beautiful tone quality, see my playlist on better singing tone. Thanks for being here. Love you, and see you next time.